Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make hard reset for your earbuds Huawei FreeBuds. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold this connectional button until this LED light start flashing red. Here we go, we have it. Now we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that click on your earbuds at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!